We're at Hoover Dam. Vinny, you want to walk there, or do you want to
I prefer less walk as possible.
Well, then we'll go as far as we can and see what we can get.
Park here, then where do you go?
I have no idea.
I love it.
No, I don't love it.
That's it right there.
That is Hoover Dam, yeah.
Where do I go, RJ? Right here?
Let's park over here.
Is it possible?
No. Probably not. Back out, dude. There's no way.
Yeah. We'll have to find another parking spot. Don't go, there's a bunch of buses coming. After this one small car, I think you can make it. Oh, never mind, this guy's in the way. Alright.
Do you have to drive through this to get to Las Vegas?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Awesome.
Dude, imagine.
Look at that, man. It's a long way down.
We're like trapped down there.
It's like someone threw a quarter down there, you can still see it.
That's dark.
You can't go, Josh.
I want a picture of it. In the water? Yeah. Probably swim over there. The impact would kill you.
Yes, the impact would kill you.
Not
You guys are going to find a way to kill yourself.
Not if you manned up. Not if you go feet first or like a dive.
Water's pretty clear.
No. I was thinking the Conway Bridge with the higher.
I think so.
Guys, you want to get over there?
Yeah.
Let's cross it. Cool, we're clear.
They have to wait for us on these lines.
Supposed to. Doesn't mean they will. It's a long way down.
Jeez. It's like empty. It's like seriously no water.
Alright, next one.
I don't know